Hello everyone, the module called POS Product Customer Real-Time Sync will update customer and product on the POS screen in real time. Let me show you how that works. First we go into point of sale. Over here there is a configuration settings. Here you will find a new field which is enable POS Product Customer Sync. Once you enable this, it will update the product as well as the customer on the POS screen on real time. That means we don't need to refresh it to see the product and customer which is created in the backend. If you disable this, you need to refresh every time the customer and product is created in the backend. So now I will enable this. Let's save it out and check. So let's open this session. Now I will also duplicate this tab to check whether it is creating it in real time or not. So here the session is open. Now let's create a product in the backend. I will create a product, let's say mobile, and I will give the configuration and I will just save it out. So now when you go into POS and search for this particular product, it will come up there. So you can see the mobile product is there without refreshing the point of sale. So this is how it will update it in real time. Now let's go back and check for customer. Create a new customer as BrowseInfo. Now let's save this out and let's go into POS and let's check. So I will search for the customer. Okay. As you can see, the customer name is updated over here without even refreshing the POS session. Now let's disable the configuration and check. So I will disable this product customer sync and save this out. Let me close the session and reopen it again. Okay, I will open the new session and this is the session open. Now let's go again and create a product over here. So I will create a product over here as a laptop. So laptop is the product which is created and let me save this out. So now let's check whether it is showing it on the POS screen or not. So laptop is the product. As you can see, it is not coming. We need to refresh this POS session and then check it out. So let's quickly search again. So I can see the product laptop is visible after refreshing the session. Let's go back and create a customer again. I will create a customer as a new customer and I will save this out and let's go into POS and check. So I will search for new. So as you can see, no new customers found. Let me just refresh this session. Now let's go into customer and check. So new customer, as you can see, the new customer is visible after you refresh the session. So this is how the configuration setting will help you out to decide whether you want to update it in real time or not. This module will help you to update product and customer in real time without even refreshing the session. If you have any query, please write down your query in comment section below. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.